Okay, now we introduce our laptop ultrasound scanner. This machine has two different software. It can use for human or animal use. When we choose different software, its function is different. Today we show this machine is for human use. Now we can see this machine can connect four different probes. Microconvex probe, it is for hard use and small part use, and the linear probe, it is for superficial vascular bones muscle use, and the transvaginal probe, it is for obstetrics and gynecology use. Convex array probe, it is for normal function use such as abdomen. You can check the liver, kidney, stomach, and now. This machine has two different colors. Today we show this one is blue color, and we have the other color is white. The body shell is white color. And this machine, it is laptop type. You can see here are two probe sockets. The second one is for convex use, and the first one is for this three probe use. And there are many different ports. This is for video printer use. This is for USB port. This one is VGA port, and this is printer port. And fuse and power line. Okay, let me show this machine now. And our keyboard is for English. Now I will show you. You can see now it is B mode. We have 2B, 4B, BM. BM is for hard use, and M mode is for hard use also. Okay, let me back to B mode, and let me freeze this machine, and I will diagnose the image. Let me see its image quality. This is my liver. If you think the